Major news for the ICP. Everybody around complains of the ICPs. Totally that because of price, right? And yes, I totally agree. If we zoom out and take a look where this token was a few years ago, right, and where we're now, of course, the people blame this token, but the team continue working something, and now they work on the demo, the cloud engines. It's included the agentic builds and AI nodes, so you can read that big post from Dominic. And you know the key point, guys, everything going more and more into AI sector. And it's good because the AI bubble still not burst. I think we will see one more lag up on AI. There's something unpredictable happening. So my take about AI, how this story with improving AI will end, you know, since 2023. So I think nothing good for humanity with AI, but the crypto, it's going together, right, with the AI. And like you can see, many tokens join it to the AI sector. So even the ICP now. So I think it's a good move, even if it's a marketing, even if it's a demo. Anyway, the people love everything what is around the AI, right? So I think it's going to be the positive moment for ICP. We're still in the range. So yes, guys, unfortunately, this is the most boring time in the market. So especially while we see the other altcoins pump it, like low cap random coins pump it 300%, 200%, and ICP still consolidates since February. So last signal to buy was here. I add my alerts here, guys. It's 213. I wish to see the drop and open the long. But you know what is scare me? It's the timing. You know, if we will not see the major move on ICP by middle of the May to the $6.7, right? This area, what I marked it before, and this downtrend line, or even the yearly open, I have a bad news because I'm more than sure the summer will be red for the BTC and for the altcoins especially. And if the ICP continue move just in a sideways, right, I will be not surprised if the summer would drop under $1 again. Unfortunately, guys. That's why now it's so crucial moment. That's why I hope we will even not drop to my zone of futures to the order block. This one, we're just going from this sideways now higher, because here the order flow. So imagine over then every single week, it's just someone stop losses, so it's so attractive for liquidation. I guess on the heat map also, there's a lot of limit orders, and that's spike and be like trigger for the short squeeze. The same story was like with the BTC. But now the problem with the BTC dominance, guys, we come back over than 60%. It's kind of strange because the people keep holding the money and focus only on the BTC. So we don't see that trigger for the altcoins, even the AI narratives, not for the price for the altcoins. Higher, much higher. So trade on, guys. What is good? We still didn't see the signal just to sell. It's good on a daily. At least it's good. So this was a buy, and only recommendation to close some bottom position, right? That's why this signal to buy relevant, right? 12 time frame, same story. So everything good. If you would like to open long now or buy for the spot, I guess 240 is more than okay. So you could buy now 240. If we dump under $1, you buying again. If you're not buying, bought before ICP, so your average entry could be like $2, for example. At $4 after that, you just withdraw initial deposit and leave free tokens. More than a good strategy, right? So for the spot, I think the $2.40 is more than comfortable price for accumulation. I'm not buying the ICP. I'm just waiting this order block for the futures trade. 4 hour time frame, guys. Here was a sell signal. Let's add alerts to take profit from that signal to sell on the 4 hour time frame. I wish to see the take profit and new signals to buy. Right. Let's break it down. ADZ direction. This is accumulation on the 4 hour time frame, neutral zone on the direction indicator, 12 time frame. around the neutral zone on ADZ, no signals on direction indicator. So basically, not bullish, not bearish. All right, markets more money power. What we can see here, this is optimism. This is like a hopium on 12th frame. Here was a bearish. This was a signal. We tested order block reject. Do you remember since middle of the March, we track these two order blocks and we just stuck, like in a sandwich in the two order blocks. And here we get reaction. Now logically to see the drop under past this order block, and after that we recover more. The negative, of course, scenario, we can drop even under, grab this liquidity. That's why if you like to open the long, better open around the middle, not exactly at this test. So to reduce the risk, because even here it's going to be like 390. Makes sense. Even here, I guess, yes, it's 5. It's hard to say where we're going to stop. Like $1.90 is so attractive. That's why 14%, for example, stop loss against the over the hundreds, I think it's going to be the good trade. That's why my alert's still relevant. Here was a RSI bearish awareness and MACD bearish awareness on a 12th frame. Now it's no signal for money inflow, no money outflow, especially. This is a hopium zone daily time frame. It's also hopium. This was a money outflow. Now soon I think we'll see the money inflow. Let's add alert to the money inflow on a daily. So it's going to be the extra positive signal. The last indicator, guys, take profit. This is what I don't like. We still just trade in the range, right? And the buy line is $1.62. I don't think so. We're going to drop that low, but it's possible. Take profit line still relevant, 323. Exit line 365. Weekly time frame we saw on the Reddit. So many examples, with the altcoins which already retested the fundamental value below line, like Moonriver, for example, the recent one, and even the test of the buy line below 384. It's a buy line. That's why I think this year, we test for sure. It's 990, maybe even 1557. After that, we need to make the updates like global one for the spot. Now I hope by middle of the May, before the CCP and the Donald Trump meeting, we're going to test that $3 and the buy line below 384.83. Guys, write please in a comment what you think about ICP. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show on this video, write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.